Hi friends, this is the masterclass for content creators to grow your audience. Today's class, we're touching on content ideas that are guaranteed to get you views. But first, a little bit about me. I have a bachelor's in creative studies and a business minor, so creating and generating sales was always my niche. I have been in social media management for 8 years, and what it has taught me is I can take what excelled for my clients and use it towards my own platforms and to help you guys. You may remember some of my previous videos of being an honest skincare reviewer, and don't worry, those videos are still on this page. However, I wanted to pivot a little bit and just help you guys and give you some free marketing tips. And here are the content ideas that are guaranteed to work every time. Please feel free to use these as a filler post, or if you're a beginner content creator and you have no idea where to start, going by this list right here, let's get started. Get Ready With Me can be so innovative, it's truly slept on. Instead of creating a full routine, you could keep your audience captivated by going to something specific. Something like Get Ready With Me 2 months postpartum. The topic is getting ready with me. The niche is motherhood. The subject is newborn/postpartum. You following me? And you can still consider yourself a lifestyle creator, although you have a targeted audience. Day in the life with your occupation. Hear me out. This day and age is all about vlogging and people being nosy. And remember, everything is content. Even if you're a maintenance worker, you can still put something together. If your content is quick, catchy, and relatable, you're on to something. Reset videos can be filmed a number of ways, and they don't only have to be a Sunday reset. You can give a full routine with quick clips, or choose something specific like a rug you haven't cleaned in years. That's a great ASMR moment. All that matters is the vibes, the story, and the angles. Don't worry about quality. You'll get there eventually. Hygiene routine is always a popular routine, especially since the pandemic. So McKenna Walker is a great example of a woman who just simply loves to smell good. She didn't even start with great quality, but she just knew how to get the angles, and it made us feel like we were honestly in the shower with her. You should check her out. Travel vlog. Need I say more? Everyone wants to know where you're going. That's going back to being nosy. And you can be our new travel bestie. You could tell us where to go, where to eat, give us your honest reviews and your ratings for things. Self-care vlog or routine, depending on which way you want to film it. It could simply just be product reviews, an everything shower. Maybe you would want to focus on one product and then just give us an honest review from there. Go shopping with me. Luxury items, thrifting, Trader Joe's finds. Allow your editing to tell the story. If the content is educational, informative, and entertaining, you will grow an audience. Clothing hauls still matters. If you want to film it as an OOTD and show everyone how you style it, and be sure to provide the links in your bio or wherever you're posting, you'll be good to go. Creators like A. Wilkie does very good with this. Lastly, morning routines. Do not be the content creator that showed yourself waking up and brushing your teeth. Be creative. Remember earlier with the Get Ready With Me, you have your niche, you have your topic, and you have your subject. That guideline will help you tell a story every time. Class is over. Let's chat in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to keep up with me, and see you next time.